For more than 2,000 years, walls, towers, and fortifications have stretched across mountains, deserts, and frontier landscapes across northern China. Today, the Great Wall is often imagined as one single structure, but history tells a different story. What we call the Great Wall was built, rebuilt, expanded, abandoned, and reinforced across multiple dynasties over centuries. This documentary is a historical reconstruction based on accepted historical understanding and construction theories. The events you are about to see are simulations, not recorded historical footage. Long before stone towers dominated mountain ridges, early builders faced a far greater challenge. How do you construct defensive infrastructure across some of the harshest terrain on Earth? From primitive surveys and mountain logistics to rammed earth engineering and massive masonry reinforcement, the construction of the Great Wall was not one project. It was generations of labor, engineering, adaptation, and survival written directly into the landscape itself. This is the story of how one of history's largest construction systems was built.
Keep your measurements accurate. The wind is picking up. Hold steady.
The journey begins at the remote northern frontier, where the first survey groups set foot upon the rugged, untamed mountains. There are no fortified walls yet, only the relentless endurance of these early workers who brave the elements to secure the future of the empire. They work tirelessly, measuring the unforgiving landscape with primitive ropes, wooden stakes, and sheer determination to chart a strategic path across the vast, rolling mountain systems. As they traverse the steep, jagged ridges, the planned route slowly begins to emerge, defining the future defensive alignments against the backdrop of an unchanged northern geography that has remained silent for millennia.
Yes, master. Move stones. Keep pushing. Over here. Over here. More stone. Watch the line.
From these initial rudimentary markers set during the dawn of construction, a massive project begins to take shape, born from human resolve and the challenge of the wild, high-altitude terrain.
Push on. We must reach the next crest before dark. Pull.
Each ridge and mountain corridor is assessed with absolute precision, as survey crews identify the most vulnerable spots, marking them not just as tactical locations, but as the foundation for an architectural legacy that will endure for centuries to come.
Place the markers here. Understood. Let's move them up the ridge.
The atmosphere is one of heavy, focused preparation, where every movement of the labor groups is calculated to maximize the strategic value of the formidable mountain landscape.
We'll stage materials here where the slope is manageable. Yes, and establish the main camp near that rock. Keep pushing, boys. Strengthen the stage.
These early days are defined by the quiet labor of individuals whose work forms the invisible yet unbreakable blueprint for the colossal structures that are yet to come.
Careful, it's slippery here. The line is secure. We check this section, then move back down.
With the routes now established, the mountain landscape transforms into a vast, bustling workplace that defies the natural isolation of the region. Soil, stone, and timber are extracted directly from the local environment, ensuring that the materials are as deeply rooted in the frontier as the walls themselves.
Move the stones this way. Hold it there.
Great piles of raw earth are organized, and heavy stone blocks are meticulously separated, while timber is shaped by hand using time-honored techniques passed down through generations. Logistics becomes the single greatest challenge, as endless groups of laborers transport these heavy, essential supplies across narrow, steep, and treacherous mountain paths that seem to cling to the sides of cliffs.
Let's go to the wall.
Baskets filled with earth and bundles of wood are hauled upward by human strength and ingenious, primitive pulley systems that minimize waste.
Coordinate your steps, men. Move the earth faster.
Temporary ridge camps emerge, serving as the heartbeat of the operation, where materials are stored, sorted, and redistributed to the most active construction fronts.
Steady, man.
This coordinated flow of resources is a testament to the organizational mastery of the ancient workforce, who managed to turn the chaos of nature into a disciplined supply chain.
Keep it steady. Haul.
As the sun rises over the supply corridors, we see the true scale of the effort. Thousands of workers moving in perfect synchronization to feed the hungry workfronts.
Find the edge. Secure the timber. Keep it steady. Watch the edge. Pull harder. Don't stop. Heave.
Every stone carried and every basket lifted is a quiet victory over the formidable, crushing gravity of the mountains.
Push. Move it now. Keep it moving. Steady. Push. Next stone coming. Pull together.
The first sections of rammed earth wall begin to rise, emerging organically from the ground and hugging the mountain ridges like a protective skin. Under the skilled, calloused hands of master builders, wooden forms are erected, and earth is added in thin, precise layers to be compacted again and again until it becomes as dense and hard as rock.
Move with purpose. The morning light is short. Keep the pace.
As these initial sections take form, the builders integrate the foundations of primitive watchtowers, creating a structure that is both defensive in nature and beautiful in its stark simplicity.
Together. Push down harder. Solid layers. Keep the rhythm.
This construction is not merely an accumulation of matter. It is a profound adaptation of human engineering to the steep, unforgiving cliffs.
Heave. Pull. Careful with that stone. Over here, we need more support. Keep pushing
Every
forward.
technique employed here is a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient builders, whose methods are perfectly in harmony with the environment.
Set the timber here, against the rock.
Like this?
Yes, adjust the line to the topography. Check the parchment. Keep pushing.
As the walls extend across the ridges, they become a permanent feature of the frontier, standing firm against the harsh elements and the passage of time.
Push harder. Almost done with this section. Keep the pace.
The labor is grueling, yet the workers move with a quiet, unwavering sense of purpose, knowing that their collective effort is carving history into the very earth.
Near, boys. Keep the pace.
They work in near silence, save for the rhythmic, thundering sound of tamping tools against the earth, a sound that echoes through the mountain passes, announcing that humanity has finally mastered the wild.
Keep pushing the stone. Hold it there. We need to set the level. Heave. Together. Watch the ledge.
Keep pushing forward on the east wall.
More stone needed here.
Time, weather, and the harsh mountain climate eventually take their toll on the earthen structures, necessitating a more robust and permanent approach to ensure the longevity of these defenses.
Move the stone. Over here.
A new era of construction dawns, bringing with it the unmatched strength of dressed stone and fire-hardened bricks, materials that promise to defy the relentless erosion of the centuries.
Need to be the strongest. Over here, Master Carver. This pile is ready.
Masonry systems are introduced to systematically replace the vulnerable rammed earth sections, creating a defensive line that is truly unbreakable, standing against both natural decay and potential threats.
Move it up. Watch the weight. Lay it straight.
Watchtowers are constructed with far greater sophistication, connected in a seamless, sprawling network that allows for rapid, reliable communication across the entire frontier, turning the mountains into an information hub.
Is ready. Character A.
Every detail,
From the defensive battlements on the parapets to the protected, elevated walking surfaces, is engineered for maximum strategic utility.
The mortar is ready below. Lift it up. Watch your
Older structures are not discarded. Instead, they are reinforced and carefully integrated into the newer, stronger network, demonstrating a centuries-long evolution of military engineering that respects the foundations laid by previous generations. The construction becomes an ongoing dialogue between the past and the present, where the manual expertise of earlier builders meets the ambitious innovations of the new imperial era. This transition marks the absolute peak of human capability in the region, successfully turning the once impenetrable mountains into a fortified, living monument that commands respect from every angle. The sheer density of the masonry and the precision of the stone-laying processes reflect a civilization that has mastered its landscape completely. After countless generations of back-breaking work, the entire wall network is finally fully integrated into the very geography of the northern border, becoming indistinguishable from the peaks themselves. The final stages of this epic project are focused on rigorous maintenance, the meticulous repair of transition points, and the seamless connection of every single watchtower into one unified, monumental defensive system. These finished towers stand as silent, unwavering sentinels on the mountain crests, enduring monuments built from the grit, sweat, and collective aspiration of a vast, disciplined workforce. When viewed from the dizzying, mist-covered heights of the northern frontier, the structure resembles a great, scaled dragon of stone and earth, winding its way endlessly across the horizon. It is a breathtaking, harmonious union of precise artificial engineering and the raw, untamed natural grandeur of the mountain peaks.
This project was never simply about military defense. It was a profound testament to the resilience and the collective, unyielding will of a civilization determined to leave an indelible mark on the world. We see the cleanup crews carefully dismantling the last of the temporary camps, removing the final cluttered traces of construction to let the land heal around the new granite spine. Today, these walls remain a powerful, physical testament to the endurance of those who came before us, surviving the passage of centuries to tell a story of unity, cooperation, and immense sacrifice.
They stand not only as a formidable barrier against the outside world, but as a bridge between the distant history of the past and the present moment, etched forever into the bedrock of the landscape. As the sun sets behind the endless layers of ridges, the wall holds the lingering golden light, serving as a final glowing acknowledgement of the incredible work completed so long ago. It is a legacy that transcends time, a silent witness to the greatness of human collective endeavor.